let's do the arraignment of Ms. Couch.
I don't think I've seen one from...
Donna said she said...
I know I deleted it. I'll get another one. I can print out a copy of it.
All right, this is cause number 1439883, style, State of Texas versus Tonya Couch. Ms. Couch, a complaint has been filed by the District Attorney of Tarrant County charging with you with hindering apprehension of prosecution. It has not been indicted yet, but this is a complaint, you understand?
I think so.
All right, I want you to speak up because
yes.
my court reporter is taking everything down. My name is Wayne Salwa. I'm the judge of this court, and your case is in this court. You understand?
Yes.
And this is criminal district court number 2. I need to determine if you are Tonya Couch.
Okay.
That's your real name?
Yes.
All right. Is that the only name you use?
Other than when I've been married, yes.
Okay. And how old are you?
48.
Okay. Now, Ms. Couch, are you now married?
Yes.
And who are you married to?
Fred Couch.
Okay. Now, the reason why you're here, of course, is this complaint that was filed, and I want to tell you a little bit about it, okay? The District Attorney of Tarrant County, Texas, filed this complaint stating and alleging that you, Tonya, and it says here, Lynette Couch, not Pope, so tell me what your real name is.
Well, my middle name is Lynette. The Pope is my maiden name. I don't know why that's...
Okay.
Really, I don't know why that's on there.
All right, your true name is Tonya Lynette Couch.
Yes.
And your maiden name is Pope. All right.
Yeah.
Well, it states here that in the County Attorney State Report said that on about the 11th day of December of 2015, you did then and there with the intent to hinder the arrest, detention, adjudication, or disposition of a child, Ethan Couch, who was said offender knew had been adjudicated for having engaged in delinquent conduct that violated a penal law of a grade of felony, that you did harbor or conceal Ethan Couch or provide or aid in providing Ethan Couch with the means of avoiding arrest or effecting escape by financing and transporting Ethan Couch and his flight from the jurisdiction of the court in the state of Texas. You understand what you're charged with, is that correct?
Yes, I do.
All right. Now, there are a few other things I want to inform you about. It's my understanding that you've already hired a lawyer, or 2 lawyers, is that correct?
I've hired an attorney.
And who is the attorney that you've hired?
Stephanie Patton.
All right. Stephanie Patton, she's the only lawyer that you have right now?
She's the only one. Well, I think there was someone in California, but that was because there's no,
All right.
I don't know.
I ask you that because I have to give you this admonishment that, of course, you know you have a right to hire a lawyer. It's my understanding now that you have. And that this lawyer can be present at any interview and any questioning of peace officers or attorneys representing the state. You understand that?
Yes.
If you could not afford a lawyer, I want you to understand that you could have a right to request the appointment of a lawyer to be present prior to and during any right to have an attorney appointed to represent you if you could not afford a lawyer. But it's my understanding that you can afford a lawyer, you already have hired one. Is that correct?
I do have, I thought she was here.
She will be here.
Yeah.
All right? So that means that you have a right to hire your own lawyer. You have reasonable time and opportunity to consult with your lawyer if you desire. In the event you want an attorney appointed, you make that back known to me and I will do that. You understand?
Yes.
All right. You will be provided, and I think they've already provided you with forms to decide whether you want a lawyer or whether you want to hire your own lawyer. And I see where you signed saying that you were going to hire your own lawyer.
Yeah, I believe so, yesterday.
Oh, okay, all right. Now, you also have a right to remain silent. You don't have to speak to the police. You're not required to make a statement. And any statement you make can and may be used against you in court. You understand that?
Is that starting now?
I'm talking about when you make statements to the police and things of this nature. This is just your arraignment, okay?
Okay.
And we're talking about interviews with police and any other law enforcement people. Or the press for that matter, okay?
Okay.
All right, you have a right to stop any interview or question at any time. If you decide to answer questions, you may stop the question at any time. You have the right to have an examining trial, and your lawyer will talk with you about that. You understand?
Yes.
Now, your bond has been preset at $1 million, but I will tell you that your lawyer has filed a habeas corpus motion asking that the bond be reduced. And I've set a hearing on this for Monday at 1:30, so you'll be back here unless you make your $1 million bond.
Taken with me to the jail in LA.
Okay.
They did something with all of that, and I haven't seen it since then, so I have nothing like that.
All right, real good. Now, I will discuss with you further Monday about your ability financially to make a bond, all right? And your lawyer will discuss that with you, and when we meet again, this is what we're going to be doing, okay?
Okay.
All right, I think that takes care of the, I do need you to sign this showing that you got your adult warrant, so come forward. You sign that document. Now, Ms. Couch, you understand all of the instructions I've given you, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
There's no problem with your understanding at all, is that correct?
No.
You are confident, basically.
I think so.
All right. Real good. All right, well then, this will conclude the arraignment for you. And your lawyer got caught in traffic, I believe, so she's on her way. All right?
Okay.
All right, we're in recess.
This way.
I didn't get hold of someone about his street.